When companies embark on an ERP transformation, they do so more than just for technology's sake. They're really looking for business value outcomes. So that's why when PwC engages with our clients, our focus is really on helping clients to determine where to start in their cloud transformation journeys. At PwC, we like to call this the North Star of business value. So as we look at the different levers that can be activated through the business value equation, first and foremost, we'll start with KPIs, key performance indicators. Really the value levers that are activated across any process area: order to cash, record to report, procure to pay, et cetera. We'll also look at operating model, where work gets done and how work gets done. And then finally, total cost of ownership, looking at the total cost of your applications, your technology, your security, and your infrastructure landscape. But really, what are the catalysts or the business drivers that prompt or that serve as the driver for clients to embark on a cloud transformation journey? They really fall into a few different areas. First and foremost, business process improvement. I think all of us can relate to the notion of outgrowing legacy business processes, breaking down information silos, and really setting up a set of industry-leading practices to enable the organization to scale. Second one is business model transformation. The whole notion of, your companies are not stagnant. Everyone is looking to innovate, drive new products, new services, new solutions to their customer base. We'll take UPS for an example. Known as one of the global leading transportation and logistics companies across the globe, they actually had a business model transformation back in the mid-2000s with the acquisition of mailboxes, et cetera. Quickly became one of the largest retailers across the United States as well. That business model transformation creates both a challenge as well as an opportunity for the organization to realize business value. And then finally, applications rationalization. It's really important to integrate business value into the fabric of your cloud ERP program. Value is not something that just occurs at the end of a project once you go live. You've got to really deliberately activate value-based activities and events throughout the life cycle of your project in order to realize the right business outcomes.
Turns out that only about 14% of organizations that embark on it realize business value, and only about 3% actually sustain it. Here's the thing, those that actually realized value were twice as likely to say that they had clarity of focus and clarity on outcomes, the business outcomes that they were looking to achieve, and everything else flowed from there. So the concept of outcomes gains an outsized importance in this paradigm. So let's start with outcomes.
Throughout the years, we focused heavily on our operations, heavily on our customer experience until now. So now is the time that we're able to focus and invest in our back office. But that gap in investment, it led to inefficiencies in our processes, inefficiencies and in complexity rather. And these outcomes, due to what we've seen, are pretty clear.
For every dollar that we spend on the back office, it's a dollar that's not going to take care of our patients. And so as we look at that, back office efficiencies was one of the key items that we wanted to really support and an outcome we're hoping to continue to achieve. Another one is around a simplified user experience and reduction of that administrative burden for our staff. We need systems and processes that can scale with our growth, whether it's within the US or internationally.
We're processing over 2 million records a month for our intercompany. We operate not just a operational network, but really a financial network. So with that, we've got massive amounts of intercompany. As I mentioned, we redesigned our chart of accounts.
As we work with clients on their value-based roadmap throughout the implementation, we also find that organizational complexities and opportunity to extract more business value often is upstream and downstream of core ERP processes. At PwC, we talk about value beyond the four walls of ERP.